The G major scale starts on the 3rd fret, top string. So we're going to have 3, 5, 7, another 3, 5, 7, and then 4, 5, 7, another 4, 5, 7, and then 5, 7, 8. Let's do all that again. 3, 5, 7, 3, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 5, 7, 8. Now backwards, 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3. We'll do it again forwards and backwards. I'll still walk you through it. 3, 5, 7, and 3, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, 4, 5, 7, and then 5, 7, 8. 8, 7, 5, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 4, 7, 5, 3, 7, 5, 3. The other position is going to be 10th fret, but starting on the A string. It's almost the same pattern, but when you get to the bottom 2 strings, it'll change a little bit. So we got 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14, 12, 13, 15, and then 12, 14, 15. Going backwards, 15, 14, 12, 15, 13, 12, 14, 12, 11, 14, 12, 10, 14, 12, 10. Let's try forwards and backwards again. 10, 12, 14, 10, 12, 14, 11, 12, 14, 12, 13, 15, 12, 14, 15. Now let's try a couple of these with the metronome. We'll start with the 3rd fret position. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to give us one really slow speed, but we'll try 3 things this time. So we'll work on no staccato, so keeping the notes with no silence in between. You don't want it to sound like... Let the note sustain until the very next note. You know, see if you can do it with no silence in between. The 2 other things we'll concentrate on with your pick. Try to keep it alternate picking. And then on your left hand, try to keep your fingers really close to the fretboard. You don't want them like flopping around. You know, keep them as close as you can. So let's go super slow motion, but we'll try to get those 3 things. Still 3rd fret. 2, 3, 4. Try to make sure you're playing right at the same time as the click. Try to keep your fingers curved. Keep your picking movement really small. Keep it alternate. Now same thing, 10th fret, 2, 3, 4. Try to stay relaxed and loose. Now a couple more advanced exercises if you're not a total beginner. Let's go back to the 3rd fret position. This time through, we'll do it hammer-ons going forward and then pull-offs descending. So we'll pick the first note and then do hammer, hammer. Same thing, going backwards, we'll pick the first note, pull off, pull off. So it'll be pick, hammer, hammer, pick. So that's our pattern. 1, 2, 3, 4. So now we're on pull-offs. You could even do the whole thing without picking it at all. You could do all hammer-ons and pull-offs, like so I'm not using the pick at all. Now let's do that one on the 10th fret. Now one more kind of advanced pattern if you're not a beginner. Let's try playing this in thirds. So we'll go. All right, thirds on the 10th fret. 2, 3, 4.